quick tour and I'll show you some examples from other places. So, alright, so the way this class is structured, you have a README first file, you have a coursework folder with all the different units, and then you also have a resources page and student work folders. Basically navigate this course. I'll give you the direct way and I'll give you a few considerations. You go on the README first. You have an outline on the side where you can click and go to different places. You have the edit and chat part on the left. One thing I like to do, I can see the edit history, I can see comments if I want to, I can type comments, I can message certain people, I can message everyone in the class, but one thing I like to do if I'm not using it is I will minimize it. So now I'm just looking at the document. Kind of gets things out of the way. Anything in blue, like in most places or in most technologies, are links to different places, different websites. These are comments. In some cases I have links. In this case I tend to put the links to tutorial videos. So for instance, this is something on Quip. I have a quick tutorial there on how to use Quip. LiveBinder, here's the link to LiveBinder, but here's a comment with a tutorial about LiveBinder. Other links I use within Quip, I will link things to different other documents like the syllabus. If it's a textbook, I'll insert a comment with a link to a place where you can buy the book. One thing I want to note on that piece is that when possible, you should check the Fairfield library, the Fairfield University library, because I try to make it so that the textbooks I use are available online, and some of these books can get very expensive, although I try to keep the cost, take the cost in consideration. I would always check the Fairfield University library to see if you can get it for free. Once again, another link to the syllabus. I try to put it so you're not hunting for them. Topics of study. Once again, I'm going to minimize that, and you can see that for each one there's a link to the folder, when it's due, and an overview. These folders that are linked to are the folders that I showed you before. So you can go through things manually, but you can also, whenever possible, I try to link it so there's, once again, to minimize the having to hunt for things. What else? Requirements, textbooks. If you're coming into the class for the first time, what I would do is I would do the README first, see what you need to know. I would check out the syllabus. Once again, you can minimize that. Outline on the right. This is the syllabus. You have ready access to it. Same concept as before. And once again, I link everything. One thing that I should know is that if you're accessing Quip on a device like a tablet or a phone, oftentimes what you need to do with these, whereas I can click it, get rid of that, whereas I can just click it here and it'll go to it. When you're on a device like a tablet, with these you have to hold it down and it'll give you the option of opening it. Otherwise you'll delete the link, which is not good. Getting to know you folder, the directions are there. So let me run you through this. So here we are, we're in MD 460. I just entered the course. Go to the README first. I'm going to go to the syllabus. I'm going to minimize this because I don't want to look at it. You can keep it open, doesn't matter. And we've done our introductions. So now we're starting the first unit, theoretical backgrounds. Once again, README first for every unit. I go through. I see the readings. When possible, I'll try to link it. I don't link the textbooks that are online at the library because I find that in many cases you click on them and then you have to go and log in and it sets you back. So I would suggest a proactive search on that. I include tools when necessary. I include tutorials when available. And there's a help desk for every topic where you guys can ask each other questions. Let me go back a bit here. the help desk is here, but there's a link to it. And then whenever relevant, I'll attach an assignment sheet where you can link your assignment, because in a lot of cases I'll do a peer review. This is an overall tour. There may be specific pieces, but I try to do these, with a common theme of how they're organized. So I wanted to create this to kind of help you navigate and get through it and get started, kind of ease the process. There'll be other tutorials where I think that they may be beneficial. Obviously, if you have any questions, you can email me directly, or you can message me, or in most cases, the best bet is to access the help desk so that everybody benefits from benefits from your questions, because it's very likely that a lot of people have the same question. Thank you, and talk to you later.